solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give the court in this case will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Step around here. Step to the microphone. State your name for the record.
Detective John Sotile, the Horry County Police Department.
Detective Sotile, we got no jury in this particular hearing, so I'd ask you to address whatever your answers to any questions are to the judge directly.
Okay.
Detective Sotile, what is your current ranking position?
I'm a detective.
And where are you employed?
The Horry County Police Department.
How long have you been employed with the Horry County Police Department?
13 or 14 years now.
Okay. And as part of, tell us briefly, explain your duties and your capacity as a detective. What does that typically entail?
Well, right now I'm in the cold case unit where I just go over cold homicides that have gone cold, just trying to find new leads and follow up on them.
Prior to that,
Prior to that, I was in the homicide division.
Okay. And when you get a call out for a shooting death or a suspected homicide, can you kind of explain to the court what your involvement would be?
If I get called out, you just mount up and head out to the scene and start piecing it all together.
Okay. And back in 2023 on September 9th, were you called to a incident at Highway 9 in Camp Swamp Road?
I was not called out that night.
Okay. You did not go to the scene that evening?
I did not.
Okay. You had no involvement with any of the people that were at the scene that evening?
No.
Okay. What was your involvement in the case?
Monday morning we have a roundtable meeting and we discuss what happened and people get assignments. They're told what to do, where to go.
You have a roundtable meeting with who?
Other homicide investigators, lieutenants and sergeants, and sometimes the captains there.
And at that meeting are assignments given out, so to speak? Would that be a good way to say it?
Yes, assignments, marching orders.
Okay. And what were you asked to do to assist in this investigation?
Certain people were tasked to go try to find videos of anything, video cameras in the area. And I was assigned from Highway 57 and Route 9. And we headed north from there, just looking for cameras.
Looking for cameras, you say?
Right.
Okay. Did you find any?
We found one on Highway 9. I did. It was at the Minuteman, and I don't know the exact address. It was Minuteman on Highway 9.
Okay. On the 11th of September, did you go to Boardwalk Billy's in North Myrtle Beach?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For what purpose did you go there?
Trying to find video of Mr. Spivey there.
Okay. I'll show you this map here. Could you point out where, from the judge, where Boardwalk Billy's has been marked here? Just so he can get an idea.
Remember right?
Okay, great. So when you went to Boardwalk Billy's, was there any security? Did you request any security footage, or did you receive any security footage?
Yeah, we received some footage that showed the bar where Mr. Spivey was on the right. Showed the right side of the bar and a little bit of the going up each side of it.
Okay. Let's put up 31A. I'm going to show you what's been marked as Defendant's Exhibit 31A. Defendant's Exhibit 31B is just a continuation of that video. Can you describe for the court what this is we're watching?
This is the camera from inside Boardwalk Billy's.
Is Mr. Spivey visible in this video?
Yes, he just took a drink of beer.
Okay. Can you describe what he's wearing so the judge knows who he's looking for?
A green tank top and some sort of headgear.
Top left there.
Yes.
It don't work on TV. And about how many hours of footage did you get there?
I don't know exactly how many hours of it. We requested some.
Did you, when you went there, did you specifically request certain times or certain hours?
I don't recall. We just found them on video, tried to get it all.
Okay. So when you requested the video, how did you end up actually coming into possession of it?
the manager downloaded it, started downloading. We saw it was going to take quite a while to download it, so we left and then came back, and then he gave us the, I think it was on a flash drive.
Okay. And what he gave you on the flash drive is what we're seeing here in court today?
Correct.
Okay. Did anybody at any point ever instruct you to only get certain portions of video from any of these places you went to?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, this time I enter 34, defendants exhibit 31A and B in evidence.
No, I mean, no, I don't have any objection, but I don't know about the evidence part, but I agree.
So I'm clear, this is the whole video you're showing me.
That's correct, Judge. This video, there's no audio with it. It's an hour long. The second video clip, which is defendants exhibit 31B, is about 25, 28 minutes long. Instead of us sitting here watching it, I just wanted to play you a clip of it.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. You mentioned a minute ago, well, let me go back first and ask you this. Were you also provided a receipt for Mr. Spivey?
Yes.
Okay. Can we put up defendant's exhibit number 31? Is this the receipt in which you received from Boardwalk Billy's?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read out for us what is listed on that?
Well, I can't see the numbers on the left, how many. Oh, that's better. Thank you. No, I think the top of the receipt showed it was from Boardwalk Billy's. There's 3 fireballs, 1 spicy tuna roll, 1, 2, 3 Miller Lights, another fireball, 1, 2, 3 more Miller Lights, 4 fireballs, 1 cheeseburger, 1 Miller Light.
Okay. What's the total on this bill there?
The total's $109.11.
And can you tell from looking at that when that ticket was created?
9/9/2023 at 12:10.
And what time was that ticket settled? Is it settled?
Same date at 5:06 p.m.
Okay. All right. You mentioned a minute ago that Boardwalk Billy's was not the only place you'd gotten security footage from. You mentioned the Minuteman.
Right.
Okay. And can you tell us again where that Minuteman was located? Do you remember?
It's on Highway 9.
Is it on Highway 9, the intersection of 905?
I'm not sure the exact address.
Let me show you this. If you point out on here where it has been marked for the judge.
It looks like right here, right almost in the center.
Okay. Thank you. You went to the Minuteman when you were able to recover footage from there. They were able to give you some?
Yes.
Okay. Can we put up defendant's exhibit 34D? Ask you to watch this video and then I'll have some questions about it.
Sure.
Just briefly. Can you make it full screen, please? And this camera is facing Highway 9.
Yes.
All right, let's stop it right there. In that video clip, can you see Mr. Spivey and Mr. Boyd's vehicles?
Yeah, approximately, I think 17:53 and 24 seconds, the number up in the upper right-hand corner. You can see the black truck go by, and then shortly afterwards, the white truck go by with the trailer.
Okay. The black truck belonging to who?
Mr. Spivey,
And the white truck with the trailer belonging to who?
Mr. Boyd.
Okay. I'm going to show you what's been marked as defendant's exhibits 34A and 34B. Take a look at those and tell me if you recognize those.
Yeah, it's Mr. Spivey's truck and Mr. Boyd's truck and trailer.
Let's put them up on the... again, just so everybody, just so we're clear, the truck circled there belongs to who?
That's Mr. Boyd's truck.
All right. The next one.
And that's Mr. Spivey's truck.
And what's the timestamp on the top of that?
175324.
Okay. I'll show you what's been marked as Defendant's Exhibit 37C. Let's put that up. You recognize that photograph as well?
Yeah, it's from the video.
You recognize the car that's been circled
I
in
do
the
not.
screenshot?
I don't recognize the vehicle.
Okay, thank you. You watch, let's put 34D back up on the screen. I ask you to watch this one more time, Detective.
Sure.
All right, you can stop it. Does it appear to you, Detective, that both Mr. Spivey and Mr. Boyd are traveling at highway speed with traffic?
Yes.
Okay. Court's indulgent tonight.
Yes, sir.
One last question, Detective. Do you have any personal connection or know Weldon Boyd at all?
No.
And how about Bradley Williams?
I don't know either of them. In fact, I didn't even recognize them in the club.
And Your Honor, I would move at this point to enter into evidence defendant's exhibits 34A, B, and C, and D, which would be the 3 screenshots we've just shown and the security video from the Minute Maid.
Any objection?
Well, Judge, again, given the nature of this hearing, I don't think it's technically in evidence. I think it is for your consideration, but I don't have any objection.
However you want to handle it, Judge, I just want to make sure I get back to you at the end of the day.
How
Yeah,
about
it's
the
in the record.
purpose of the hearing is to be,
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. No further questions, Detective.
Thank you.
Detective, I apologize. You got to answer any questions Mr. Tinsley might have.
not quite off the hook yet.
You have any questions?
I have none, Your Honor.
Okay, come on, now, Mr. Tinsley.
So Detective, I'm deaf in one ear and I can't hear out in it. What did you say your last name was?
Sotile,
Spell it for me.
Sotile.
Okay, so you're on the homicide unit, right?
Cold case unit now. I was out in the homicide unit at the time.
At the time you were on the homicide unit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many times have you been interviewed by SLED about this matter?
Just once.
Just once. Did they ask you to turn over any text messages or things that you had?
I turned over them to a public information officer. I don't know who requested them.
You believe after this case was closed, you turned over information to SLED?
Yeah, turned it over to somebody. I don't know who it went to.
All right. So Alan Jones was the detective that was coordinating your efforts on this day, correct?
He was the case agent.
He was directing you what to do.
Him and his supervisors as well.
Okay. And I want to hand you, so at some point in time, I'm going to hand you this. It's up here on the screen. And this is a text thread that was originally not included in any of the production by Horry County, but Horry County later found it. Maybe it was misfiled. Do you recognize that you're in that text chain?
I see a JS on the top there, so I would
Keep going
assume
down.
that.
Just see your name. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Okay.
That's you, right?
Yep.
Put it out. So you send that photograph, you're at the computer with the view, and you text Alan Jones, is that him, correct?
Yes.
And then you say they checked out from, what does TSC stand for?
Tractor Supply Company.
At 7:35. So you're not talking about Scott Spivey there, right?
I believe that would be talking about Mr. Boyd.
Right. But the picture where Alan Jones says, looks like him, that's what you're talking about in that photo, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And now, go back up. Amy Jackson was with you?
Yes.
Go back. Come on up. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that you were going to be here. Let me look real quick. And who is Amy Jackson?
She's a sergeant.
All right. It's the one with the receipt. You scroll down to the receipt. So you're there with her while she takes the picture of the receipt. And that receipt actually has been authenticated by Boardwalk Billy's, but that is the receipt, right?
It looks like it.
I think that earlier, that's the actual receipt that Mr.
That
Spivey
he signed, yes.
Okay. And in the video that you watched, you're aware that you only saw, or you all only got about an hour and a half of video, right?
I didn't check the times on it.
Oh, you didn't?
If there's an hour and a half there, there's an hour and a half.
All right.
Yes, that's
But
all
you're
we
on
got.
the thread, and you see, got to the bar at 12:10, left the bar at 17:06, right?
Okay, yes.
You knew that day, that's how long you'd been there, 5 hours.
Okay,
Yes?
yes.
All right. You knew it was important to get this information, right?
Apparently.
I mean,
yes.
you oftentimes want to get evidence that the victim's committed a crime, right? When you're doing your investigations. Now, you made a face, right? That's not
Yes, sir.
typically the way you do it, is it?
Pardon me?
That's not typically what you all are looking for, is it?
I don't understand your
You
question.
don't typically go out and look for evidence that a victim has committed a crime.
I go out and look for evidence to support things. We're fact finders.
All right. On this date, you knew that he'd been there for 5 hours,
Okay?
correct?
Yes.
You knew that you were there to get the video, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
And if we don't have the full 5 hours, whose fault is that?
I didn't download the video. I was supplied the video. I assumed it was all there.
But you didn't look.
No.
Okay. Why go get it if you don't even look at it?
We look at it when we get back to the police station.
When you looked at it and you realized you only had an hour and a half of the 5 hours, why didn't you go back?
I didn't realize it wasn't all there.
Okay. The video that you did look at, you agree that you only see Scott Spivey in possession of a beer for a long period of time, sitting in front of him. He sips it occasionally, right?
I didn't pay attention to how much he was drinking. I just saw he was there, downloaded the video, and none of it.
The video that you have, he has a beer for a long period of time, and then he buys a round of shots that are on that receipt for the 4 people that are there with him at 4:16 p.m., right?
If that's what's on the video, then yes.
You don't have any reason to dispute that, correct?
No.
He didn't drink all those fireballs. He bought 3 for the gentleman beside him, and he had 1, right?
If that's what the video shows.
Okay, you don't dispute it.
I do not dispute it.
And then at 5:35, he leaves. That was what y'all should. He took a sip of that beer he's had in front of him, and he leaves.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the minute man, you take it. Judge, I'm going to offer this as, I guess we'll just do plaintiff's one. This is the text chain of the murder, the homicide unit, correct?
Yes.
You want it all inclusive, all pages together?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You tell me.
Judge has it.
Oh, you didn't use those?
Not yet, no.
All right, for the record, for the purpose of this hearing, plaintiff one be considered.
Thank you. All right, detective. Let's just confirm what we got here. So this is the video in Defendant's Exhibit 34, A, B, and C that shows the various vehicles, right?
Yes.
The black truck is Scott Spivey. The white truck is Weldon Boyd. And we've stopped the video. It's an actual video, but we stopped it. So you can see where Scott Spivey's vehicle is in relation to Mr. Boyd's truck.
Yes.
Do you agree with me that, now this is the downloaded information from SLED, okay? And Bell and Bell's back here, Highway 57, you recognize that, right? And they
Yes.
showed you this Tractor Supply and all this stuff.
Yes.
You're familiar with the area, correct?
Yes.
And if the interaction between these two vehicles begins here, and they get to speeds of 80, 84, 96, I'm skipping a bunch, 91, 86 miles an hour, 69, and they're coming on in to get to Bell and Bell, do you agree that Mr. Boyd has to go at least as fast as Mr. Spivey to arrive at this point and be in that close proximity?
It appears all the vehicles are traveling the same speed on the road at the time.
At that point in time,
Yes.
at Minuteman, which is way up here, right?
Yes.
So if it starts way back here and they go through this high-speed area, this for how far is that about? A couple miles?
I don't know.
Okay. You're familiar with the area, though, right?
Yeah.
So Colonial Charters, cross the Waccamaw River, getting on towards Longs, 2 miles?
I don't know.
Long way, right?
I don't know how far it is.
Okay. But the only way that if Scott Spivey's vehicle goes speeds of close to 100 miles an hour, that Weldon Boyd's vehicle can be that close to him is if he goes that fast or faster to catch up with him and be in that close proximity that is shown in these photos.
All I can testify is what's on this video, and they appear to be traveling with traffic on the road at the time.
That's right. But you don't push back on what I'm saying either, do you?
I'm not going to agree with you, and I'm not going to push back.
You think there's a way he can not be following him at the same speed and arrive at the same time?
They're traveling on the road together, and he's behind them. They both appear to be traveling the same speed,
That's
along
right.
with everybody else.
That's exactly right. And they traveled at speeds of 80, 84, 96 miles an hour, 91 miles an hour, 86 miles an hour, getting to that point on the road, didn't they?
I don't know. I've never seen the speed
That's right.
reports.
But assuming SLED's data is right, you would agree with me, wouldn't you?
If that's what SLED says, I can't disagree with that.
That's right.
I didn't make any of that report. I can't testify if it's true.
Thanks, sir. That's all I have. Judge, I'm going to mark that one as Exhibit 2. That still photo, but it'll take us a minute to print.
Sure. Is it on a pre-mark, Mr. Martin, no? You already got another mark, is that you?
We just stopped the video. He played the video, and so what we did was we stopped it, and we were going to screen grab that.
Was it a picture?
No, sir,
Okay.
he didn't put them in the same photo.
Okay. So you want this printed out as an exhibit?
Exhibit 2, yes, sir.
All right.
She's printed it. We're going to have, I'm just telling for the record.
So that'll be marked as plain as 2. This one. Okay. I see what you're doing. Let's do that. And so for the record, with Weaver, there's a document being printed that'll be plain as 2 for purposes here, and it'll be admitted, but it's not yet to you. That's what he's just describing in the video. Anything else, Mr. Martin?
Yeah, just a few follow-up questions. Detective Sotil, you, again, your involvement in this investigation was strictly to try to canvass and search for surveillance video,
That's right.
which you did,
Yes.
which you then turned over to the lead investigator, so to speak.
Right.
Do you have any other knowledge about the events that took place along this route?
Very limited. I
Do you
don't
have
know.
any idea how fast anybody was going?
I have no
Do
idea.
you have
how
any
fast
idea?
they're
I apologize for that.
going. I have no idea how fast they're going.
Do you have any idea at what point on the roadway certain witnesses, defendants, deceased, all converge with each other? Do you have any information or knowledge?
No.
Okay. No further questions, Judge.
All right, you may step down.
Thank you.